Hey guys, Sean here with Gypsy Family RV. Just finished painting the whole inside. Well, not painting actually, even just priming. Primed the whole inside. Mess, got paint everywhere. Used the spray gun. That's the mark from the mask. We'll do a tour tomorrow after the primer has a chance to set and is not going to bump up against wet paint, but it was a long day. It took me from about 10 o'clock this morning till 4 o'clock, so about 6 hours of painting. But that spray gun was awesome. I'll have a review on that coming up, and we'll do a tour tomorrow. Thanks guys, talk to you soon. Hey guys, so I had a slight change of plans here. I decided that showing you the RV primed and painted would be kind of pointless because it's all white. So this is the RV after the complete paint job. Painted all of the walls and ceiling in an eggshell finish. Painted all of the cupboards and counters and all of that good stuff in a semi-gloss to give it a little more hardness and protection. So there's the living room area, the kitchen, entertainment center, and the shelving. Ceiling into the kids' room. So again, in here in the kids' room, we're going to have some different colors going on, but for right now, we just gave it all a good coat of white paint to give us a good base to start from. All the shelving. So the spray gun worked great. I will be doing a review on it. Still took time. I think the thing about painting an RV is that even though the space overall is much smaller, there's just as many corners and nooks and crannies as there are in a regular house. So, you know, every room still has 4 corners, every drawer still has 4 corners, and a top and a bottom. So it's that close-up trim work that is the harder stuff to get done. The spray gun worked great. I had to be really careful in some of the tight spots because I did get some runs in a few places, just because the space wasn't big enough to hold the gun back far enough. But other than that, it worked great. Saved me a lot of time, I'm sure, over rolling or doing any other kind of paint job. Was able to spray back into the closet corners here. Overall, I was really pleased with how it came out. So looking forward to getting the color accents done and showing you guys what that looks like. But there we go. There's the RV all painted white. Thanks guys, we'll talk to you soon.